is here.
Venerable Mwayunje abira rya Harchibanga High School omuri Kitagata Sheema District okwasirira abeegi ba senior ya kana abari kutandika ebibuuzo nyenkyakare n'aba senior ya mukaaga abari kwetebeekanisa kutandika ebyabo okwezi okurukwija.
You reap what you sow.
Guidance and even make discussion with them. At the end of the day, you will achieve what you want.
Bakuru b'ishomereri bahabwira abeegi ngu nikibasika b'abantu beyikyererizamu.
Our guest is someone is time that you still have, you can use this little time remaining to change your certificate.
We are very sure that we will pass with very flying colors because abashomesa bitu when batifaho munonga bapreparinge munonga when we are ready to
materaho buryo batushomesaje batimusiaje winter batwara tushoma.
Omugandi omureberezi w'obureberezi bwa Western Kole ashabira abeegi ba Bweranyangi Girls okwehara obwoba b'abantu babuuzibwa. Ebigambo bya Bishop nibyijaho obwo abeegi ba senior ya kana bari kwetebeekanisa okukora ebibuuzo bya muheru okutandika n'izooba rya nyenkyakare.
We love you and we wish you the best. We wish you the best.
We believe that the blessing God received today from our Lord Bishop, tremendous success is guaranteed. I believe that it's not easy, but the Lord who brought you to it will surely get you through it.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Bweranyangi Girls More Musinguzi agambire Bishop ngo mbuhereza bwabo ahishomereri bine biri kubateganisa.
One of the biggest challenges is coordination with the classes and dormitories, but we are hopeful when this dormitory is put up, it will be that condition.
Gasha kwa Michael Atwachire na Abraham Gans.